Hello everyone, this is Ethan welcoming you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make you understand how to find the major scale of any of the 12 notes. Okay, without wasting any time, get into the video. So here is the progression of musical alphabet. If we move from one note to next note, that is, for example, A note to A sharp note, that is called half step. And if we move from one note to third note, alternative next note, for example A note to B note, that is called whole step. So this is the overall concept of whole step and half step. R stands for root note, W stands for whole step, H stands for half step. Okay, this side in corner I have drawn the chromatical cycle through which we will find the C major scale. So let's start. C is the first note, root note. After taking whole step from C, we will get the note D. After taking whole step, we will get the note E. As per rule, after taking half step from E, we will get the note F. After taking whole step, we will get the note G. After taking whole step, we will get the note A. After taking whole step from note A, we will get the note B. After taking the half step from B note, we will get the note C. So this is the C major scale. C sharp major scale. After taking whole step, we will get the D sharp note. After taking whole step, we will get the note F. After taking half step, we will get the note F sharp. After taking whole step from F sharp note, we will get the note G sharp. After taking whole step, we will get the note A sharp. After taking whole step from A sharp note, we will get the note C. And taking half step from C note, we will get the note C sharp. So this is the C sharp major scale. Okay. By applying this rule, you can find any of the major scale of any of the 12 notes. Okay. So I am going to give you some homework to find E major scale and F major scale. After finding, just write in my comment box. Okay.